Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Imagine building a strong, muscular body without ever touching a dumbbell or stepping inside a gym. Sounds impossible, right? For years, the fitness world has convinced people that real strength only comes from heavy weights and fancy machines. But the truth is far simpler. Your own body is already an incredible training tool. Today, I'm going to walk you through 6 powerful bodyweight movements that can reshape the way you think about strength training. Before we jump in, tell me in the comments, which do you believe builds more muscle, bodyweight training or weights? I'm curious where you stand. Let's kick things off with a classic that almost everyone does, but very few actually master. 1. The push-up, the upper body workhorse. When performed with precision, the push-up becomes far more than a chest exercise. It challenges your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even the muscles that stabilize your hips. The key is total body tension. Think of your body like a moving plank. Lower yourself under control. Keep your elbows slightly tucked. Drive upward as if you're pushing the ground away. This simple move teaches real-world strength, the kind you use when lifting grocery bags, shoving open a heavy door, or pushing yourself up from the floor. And here's a fun fact. Research shows that the push-up can stimulate the upper body almost as effectively as moderate weight bench pressing. Want more challenge? Slow your reps, pause at the bottom, or switch to incline and decline variations. You'll feel your upper body grow stronger, steadier, and more defined. 2. The inverted row. Build a back that works for you. If the push-up strengthens the front of your body, the inverted row balances things out by building the muscles of your upper back. Set up under a sturdy table edge, bar, or suspension straps. Pull your chest toward the bar, squeeze your shoulder blades tight at the top, then lower with control. This move strengthens the lats, rhomboids, traps, and even your biceps, all essential for upright posture and healthy shoulders. The best part? You can change the difficulty simply by lowering your body angle. Go more horizontal, and it becomes surprisingly tough. This strength carries into everyday tasks, lifting kids, pulling objects toward you, or simply sitting taller with less effort. 3. Bulgarian split squat. Leg power without a squat rack. If you ever believed that leg strength requires heavy barbells, this exercise will change your mind. Stand about 2 feet away from a bench or chair, rest 1 foot behind you, and lower into a deep split squat. Your front leg does most of the work, and trust me, you'll feel it. This movement targets your glutes, hamstrings, and quads while forcing your core to stabilize your entire body. Since each leg works independently, the load becomes incredibly challenging without any added weight. Slowing the movement down creates a deep, controlled burn that builds muscle and improves balance. Over time, your step feels stronger, stairs become easier, and your lower body gains a sense of sturdy confidence. 4. Dips. A hidden gem for chest and triceps. Dips are one of the strongest upper body builders you can do with just your body weight. Using 2 stable chairs or parallel bars, lower your body until your elbows form a right angle, then press up while leaning slightly forward. This subtle lean shifts the work into your chest, shoulders, and triceps. And because your whole body has to stabilize the movement, you get an intensity that often rivals machine-based pressing. If full dips feel too advanced, start with your feet on the floor for support or practice slow controlled descents. Over time, your pushing power skyrockets. 5. Glute bridge, the foundation of strong movement. Many people overlook the glute bridge, but it's one of the most important exercises you can do, especially for hip strength and lower back support. Lie on your back, plant your feet, and drive your hips upward while squeezing your glutes. Lower with control and repeat. This exercise teaches your hips, not your lower back, to generate power, which is essential for walking, climbing, running, and lifting objects safely. As you progress to single-leg versions or elevated hip thrusts, the challenge increases dramatically. You'll feel the difference every time you stand up, walk uphill, or pick something up from the ground. 6. Pike push-up, your body's natural shoulder press. This variation of the push-up shifts the focus to your shoulders. Start in a downward dog-like position with your hips high, then slowly lower your head between your hands and push back up. The steeper your body angle, the more it resembles an overhead press. It's excellent for building the shoulders and upper chest, especially for anyone trying to avoid heavy overhead lifting. The stability this movement builds carries over into anything that requires lifting, reaching, or holding weight above your head. The 7th muscle, you're training without knowing. All 6 of these exercises strengthen something most people don't think about: your mind-muscle connection. Machines dictate your path of movement, but with bodyweight training, you control every inch. Your stabilizers fire. Your coordination improves. Your entire system works as one unified machine. That's why calisthenics athletes look so balanced and athletic. They're training their bodies, not just individual muscles. Why bodyweight training works so well. You might be wondering how these simple movements can build as much muscle as traditional weight training. The answer comes down to 3 principles. 1. Tension. Keep your muscles engaged through the entire range. 2. Tempo. Slow down the hard parts to increase effort. 3. Progression. Make movements harder by adjusting angles, pauses, or leverage. When you do this consistently, your body responds with increased strength, better balance, and improved mobility, without the wear and tear of heavy loading. Bodyweight training can reshape the way you feel and move, but only when done with a structured plan that balances strength, recovery, and mobility. That's why I created the Body Rebuild Blueprint, a complete step-by-step system that helps you move better, feel better, and rebuild a strong foundation. The link is in the description if you want to explore it. How to use these 6 movements for maximum results. Here's a simple routine you can follow anywhere. Push-ups 3 sets of 10 to 20. Inverted rows 3 sets of 8 to 12. Bulgarian split squats 3 sets each leg. Dips 3 sets of 8 to 12. Glute bridges 3 sets of 15. Pike push-ups 3 sets to controlled fatigue. Focus on quality, not speed. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Within a few consistent weeks, you'll notice stronger movement, better posture, and more visible definition. What 30 days of consistency feels like. Week 1 you feel muscles waking up you didn't even know you had. Week 2 movements start to feel smoother, your core feels engaged without trying. Week 3 your upper body looks and feels firmer, your back feels supported. Week 4 everyday tasks feel easier, and your body moves with more intention and control. By the end of the month, it's not just about muscle. You've built coordination, awareness, and real control over your own body. The strength of simplicity. You don't need machines or complicated equipment. You just need your body, gravity, and a little consistency. These 6 exercises build more than muscle, they build capability. They help you move with ease, feel stronger in daily life, and stay athletic as you age. Start today. No excuses. Just consistent, mindful movement. And if this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who still thinks weights are the only way to grow. Sometimes the most powerful tools are the ones you've been carrying with you your whole life.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.